Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and something I didn't know I needed for my newborn was a wipe warmer. I'm so glad I have this one from Chef Handy. It is the perfect size, it's nice and big, and it keeps your wipes at the perfect temperature. I love the design. It's so pretty. The white and gray looks great in my son's nursery. It's not an eyesore at all. It blends in perfectly. It's so easy to use as well. You have plenty of room inside the wipe warmer to put a full pack of wipes in there. I also love the simple design. There are just two buttons, the on and off, and then you can pick how hot you want the warmer to get. It doesn't get too hot at all. I picked the middle setting and it's perfect. To get your wipes out, you simply open the lid and pull your wipes out. It's so easy. So if you're looking for a wipe warmer that's not going to be an eyesore in the nursery, definitely check this one out from Chef Handy. It's really pretty. It keeps your wipes nice and warm, and it keeps your baby comfortable, which is the most important thing. And that's my point of view.